This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. Alright guys, got a package in the mail. It's the same guy that sent me the lobsters from up in Maine. He said he was going to send me some clams. Open it up. Sounds like I'm going to make myself a clam boil. There you go. Dave and Elaine. Thank you. Salt codfish. Some clams. And some oysters. It's codfish. Just give them a quick rinse in the water here. And we got oysters, and we got clams, and we got some codfish. Alright guys, so I got some mild chorizo here, and some linguiça, which is kind of like a mild sausage type of thing. I usually have breakfast sausages and hot dogs, but I don't have any. With the Rona going on, I don't really want to go to the market unless I have to, so I'm just going to use what I got here. So we got the oysters, I got the clams, I got some red potatoes, onions, and we'll cut this stuff up and we'll do a little boil with it. Good enough for this neighborhood. Alright, so I got my pot here with some water in it. We got the clams, oysters. I use this chorizo, cut that up. Some onions, potatoes, and I got some garlic, hot sauce, and lemon in there. Alright, so we'll throw the potatoes in first. Red potatoes, onions, chorizo, it's like a meat. Things of lemon. It's going to be nice and spicy with all that red sauce in there. We'll bring that up to a boil, and then we'll throw the clams and oysters in last. Pepper. don't need no garlic powder because I got plenty of that, so. Herbs. We'll let that cook until the potatoes are pretty much done. At the end, we'll just throw these in there and steam them up. Hey, you want some clam boil? You want some clam boil? Think so. Think you like clam boil? You want some clams? Yeah, you love clams. You love clams. How about some chorizo and a baked potato and a potato? Oh yeah. Gotta go for a little while till the potatoes get done. Not quite yet. Good deal. How you doing, Mama? You want some clam boil? Hmm? What are you thinking? Alright guys, I think I'm going to throw the clams in there now. Throw the oysters in there. And the clams. Bring that up to a boil again. I can smell it, Mama. She's a bubbling. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think she's about ready. Yum. Alright guys, so I let it cool. But I got the onions, potatoes, chorizo, the clams, and the oysters, and I got some juice here that I could, you know, when I clean these clams and the oysters, I'll throw them in here. And then I'll get some butter, melted butter. They'll go, once they're cleaned, they'll go into the butter. And throw some butter on here. So we'll get a plate together. Once this cools down, we'll get a plate together. I just left the lemon. I just boiled it and stuff. Real working man's meal. Alright guys, so here we go. I got all the clams and stuff all cleaned in the broth. Alright, I got melted butter right here. So I put the clams from here into the melted butter. I could put the potatoes into the butter. Boom, 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 boom. Yum! There you go. That's a meal.